Hi guys, welcome to another video, and on this video I am sharing my grilled pork recipe with you guys, and trust me, this recipe is simple, delicious. Trust me, if you're having guests over this festive season, try it out and I promise you it will not disappoint. It's an easy to go recipe. If you are lovers of pork, you can even cook it at home and enjoy it. And the best thing, you can eat it with anything. You can eat it with ugali, you can eat it with rice, you can eat it with fries, literally anything. So the first thing we're going to do is get a pot for washing our pork. So I have this habit of whenever I pick a pot from the drawer or the shelf, I have to rinse it first before anything. I have it. It's a habit. So since our pot is now clean, like it's not like it wasn't. Let's put the pork in the pot and wash it. Since this is grilled pork, ensure that before you leave the butchery, make sure the meat is not cut. You have to use it as whole as it is. Get a knife, a chopping board, and a paper towel because you're going to need it. Then what we are going to do, also get a cooking tray. I got one from the oven. So what we're going to do is we're going to skim the meat. I don't know if this is skimming, but we're going to make lines. You know how you make lines on raw fish? If you've ever cooked raw fish, like you make lines. This is so that our marination and salt goes in. Now that is done, put the meat in a tray and use the paper towel to absorb any excess water that is left on the meat after washing. So there is a difference between a paper towel and a serviette. Do not use a serviette, use a paper towel. I'm here assembling all the spices I need for my cooking. I am going to mention them, so do not worry. Our warriors today are cardamoms, oregano, salt, ginger, soy sauce, mustard, mountain oil, honey, cane, and black pepper. Those are what we're using today. So mix it up all together, mix all the spices together, and let us make our marinade powder. Get a garlic and ginger and peel. I will share how to peel ginger and garlic on my shorts, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. I'm going to give you the easiest way to peel garlic, the easiest way you've ever seen. Wash the ginger, then cut it into large chunks before putting them in a grinder. Add some canola oil or mountain oil or olive oil, whichever it is you want to use. I am using canola oil. Put them in a grinder and grind. So this is what we have, a paste-like consistency. Make sure it is smooth. It doesn't have to be super smooth, but make sure it is smooth. And then mix up the ginger and the garlic onto the meat. See, like all my garlic did not grind in the grinder. I need to get a new grinder. This one has become too small, and then I've had it for years. I think it's high time I bought a new blender or grinder. Like, I want the food processor one, the whole set. Then add some mustard on the meat. This is going to bring out a taste you have never ever, like, how do I describe this? I mean, this comes out so delicious. You're gonna think I'm lying. I'm not. Put some soy sauce, rub it in. Make sure you prepare your meat. Beat that meat. Make sure you have all the spices mixed. Make sure. So since this is pork, I am not going to add any oil onto it. Pork has enough oil. Add some honey. So honey just enhances the flavors and brings out, it just, how do I say it, it draws out the flavor in food. Now that is done, put the meat in a bowl and cover with a cling film, then refrigerate it overnight. Christmas morning is here and my pork is ready. Let's get it out the fridge. Get a tray and it goes straight to the oven. This is my little helper here. My son helps me cook. He enjoys cooking and I enjoy cooking with him. He keeps me company. So rinse the tray the same way I told you I rinse all my bowls before I cook. So rinse the tray. Let's preheat the oven. I'm putting it on 180 degrees, preheating it just for 10 minutes before our pork goes in. So what we're going to do is get a foil. We're going to put the foil as base on our cooking pan. I do not like when the juices in the meat get stuck on the pan, so I layer my oven trays with foil before putting anything on them because they get stuck pretty bad and the stains are hard to remove. Oh, that smells so good. It smells so good. Even my son can agree. Let us put the meat on the pan, then cover it with the foil. Yes, look at him trying on the gloves. I didn't see this until it was on camera while editing this video and I thought it was so cute. So let's cover the meat with another foil and this goes straight to the oven. I am just about ready to eat my beef. I forgot the direction but it went in eventually and let's cook. So the timer is at 50 minutes and the oven heat is at 180 and both the top and bottom heaters are on. Heaters or grills, the top and bottom grill are both on. Let that cook for 50 minutes and get it out so that we can enjoy that sweet meat. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare the rice, so stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Please share my channel to your friends and family. Merry Christmas to you guys. And for those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you and keep watching all my videos. So I will share my rice recipe with you guys pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. It's nothing complex. It's actually very simple and you just need like 2 spices, of which they are herbed spices, not the powder spices. So let's preheat that as we wash our rice before cooking it. So I do not know if everybody washes rice, but I do wash my rice before cooking it. So since I do not have measuring cups, we're going to use cups to measure the amount of rice I need. Since each family is cooking a different meal, you never know, maybe someone will cook rice. So we are not going to do a lot of rice because we probably won't even get eaten all of it, and maybe someone also did rice. We were clear on what everybody was cooking, but on the rice thing, we were not sure. We were a bit skeptical about it, so I just decided to cook it just in case. So here is me cooking my rice. I do not wait for the water to boil, honestly. So I just put my rice in the cold water and it will cook. I see no reason as to why I should preheat the water before adding my rice. Anyway, there are as many methods of cooking as there are women on earth. And my meat is ready. Look at that. And we are already at my friend's house. She is hosting us for this Christmas. These chapatis look amazing. I can't wait to try them out. My rice, I told you. Using kitchen scissors, we're going to cut the meat into pieces, because if we use a knife right now, this will take forever. So I prefer to use kitchen scissors. It makes work easier. And everybody is here. So guys, this is where we're spending Christmas. This is Ambi. Say hi. And this is us preparing lunch. So the food is ready and Master Shere is also here. Drinks. So the boys decided to have a PlayStation tournament and that went well. Some people lost money, some gained money. Anyway, it was fun. Merry Christmas to you guys, and I hope you spent it with the people who you love most. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. I will appreciate it. Do like the video so that we get recommended to other people, so that other people also watch our content. I love you guys, and once again, Merry Christmas. See you guys on the next video.